So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today we're here at Dinosaur Encounters, where there are so many dinosaurs. Whoa! Hello! Whoa! Check it out! It's a velociraptor! Oh. Whoa! Are you a friendly velociraptor? Aw, it's really friendly. And what's your name? Pumpkin? Ah, that's a great name. Well, it's nice to meet you, Pumpkin. You know, Pumpkin, we've been meeting a lot of dinosaurs today. Do you think you could show me and us how to walk like a raptor? Okay, let's do it. Whoa, check it out. Whoa! Did you see that? Yeah, the raptor walks up on 2 legs instead of 4, kind of like this. Can you walk like a raptor with us? Okay, here we go. Whoa, that was great. Thank you, Pumpkin. Oh, and Pumpkin, I also wanted to ask, how does a velociraptor roar? Whoa, that was so loud. Great roar. Ooh, can you roar like Pumpkin? Okay, on the count of 3. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, Pumpkin, that was a really big roar. Oh, and speaking of big roars, have you seen a T-Rex around here anywhere? Oh, over there? Okay, let's go see if we can find one. Bye, Pumpkin. Wait a minute. Whoa, check it out. I found a baby dinosaur that was all alone. Oh, what's your name, baby dinosaur? Whoa, its name is Speckles. Oh, that's a really great name. But why were you all alone? I didn't see any grown-up dinosaurs taking care of you. Oh no, you're lost? Aw, that's kind of sad, but luckily, Blippi's here to save the day. Yeah, we can help find Speckles' daycare. Yeah, take it back to the grown-up dinosaur that was taking care of you. Does that sound good? Whoa! Whoa! Okay, let's go help Speckles. Come on! Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! We did it! We found the daycare and the grown-up dinosaur taking care of Speckles. Oh, and look, it's Speckles. Oh, but shh, it looks like Speckles is taking a nap. Aw, that's a pretty cute dinosaur. Well, thank you for taking care of Speckles. Oh, was there something you wanted to tell me? Aw, that's so great! Yeah, they said that we can go inside and play at the daycare with all the other baby dinosaurs. Thank you! Whoa, I wonder what kinds we'll find. Woohoo! Whoa, check it out! There are dinosaurs here. It looks like someone's pulling a train along, and there's a dinosaur in an orange car, a blue one, and a red car seat. Whoa, no way, look! And this one's playing with a little toy truck. It's a garbage truck! Yeah, I just love a garbage truck. Yeah, picking up all the trash and recycling. Whoa, and look at this. It's a little school bus. The wheels on the bus go rah, rah, rah. That's silly. Whoa, and look. There's a really bumpy, spiky dinosaur, and it looks like it's pulling the train along with its tail. Oh, hey, do you know what kind of dinosaur this is? I'll give you a hint. It's spiky with a tail like a hammer. Yeah, that's right. It's a baby Ankylosaurus. Aw, it's so cute. Well, let's go meet some new dinosaurs. Whoa, look! They're playing on a seesaw or a teeter-totter. Here, I'll give you a push. Whoa! Look at them go! And these dinosaurs, they're baby Triceratops. Aw, they're having a lot of fun playing, and they're so stylish. They're wearing bow ties. Well, wait a minute. 2 tied Triceratops on a teeter-totter? Woo! That is a lot of teas. Well, I'll see you later, Triceratops. Here we go. Woo! Whoa! Did you see what it is? It's a giant T-Rex mouth! Yeah, and this one right here sure looks really bouncy. Woohoo! Whoa! And it looks like you can bounce and slide all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. See you soon. Here we go. Woo! Whoa! 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 1, 2, 3! Whoa! 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 That was one bouncy T-Rex. Hey, wait a minute. You know what sound a T-Rex makes? Yeah, that's right. A T-Rex makes a really big, really loud roar. Will you roar like a T-Rex with me? Okay, let's do it. Are you ready? Set, roar! 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 Well, that was pretty fun, roaring like a T-Rex. But wait a minute. This right here is a T-Rex, but it's a bouncy T-Rex. I want to find a real T-Rex. I just know if we keep exploring, we definitely can find one. Woohoo! Whoa! I can't wait to learn about dinosaurs and be a paleontologist. And do you know, dinosaurs like to eat all kinds of things. Some are carnivores. Ooh, that means they like to eat meat. And other dinosaurs are herbivores. Ooh, and that means they like to eat plants and vegetables. And I found some really big dinosaurs that are all herbivores because they love those green veggies. Come on. Whoa! Whoa! Look at this dinosaur! It's so big! Hello? Whoa! This dinosaur is called a Stegosaurus. Wow! And this is definitely one big dinosaur. It's really big, but don't worry, it's an herbivore. Yeah, it loves to eat plants and veggies. See? It looks nice. Hello. Oh, are you having a good day today? Oh, it looks like he is. Oh, and did you know something? Stegosauruses have plates on their back. Yeah, just like this. See? Whoa! It kind of looks like a leaf. Or a triangle. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides on a triangle. These plates are really important because they protect the Stegosaurus, but also they help to regulate its temperature. Basically, it keeps it nice and cool when it's hot out, and nice and warm when it's cool. Oh, you are so cute. Well, let's see how long this Stegosaurus is. It's pretty long. Whoa! It's huge! Oh, and look, there's another one. Come on. Oh, no way! It's a cute little baby Stegosaurus. That Stegosaurus from earlier was a mama. Hello, little baby. Aw, this is such a cute little baby Stegosaurus. Yeah, these Stegosauruses are really nice. And did you know their brains were the size of a ping pong ball? Whoa, that's pretty small. Yeah, Us humans, we have a brain the size of 10 tennis balls. Whoa! That's a lot. Well, you are one cute baby dinosaur. I'll see you later, okay? I'm gonna go say hi to some of your friends. Bye-bye! Let's go! Woohoo! Maybe we can feed a dinosaur. Come on! Whoa! Look at these dinosaurs! Wow! Check it out! Whoa! I can't believe we're so close to actual dinosaurs. Oh, hello there. Yeah, these dinosaurs are called Pachycephalosaurus. Whoa, hello. Would you like a little snack? Okay, here we go. Oh, look, he took it. Aw, that's very sweet. Yeah, a Pachycephalosaurus is also an herbivore. See, it's munching on some leaves. Yeah, it also has a really big head. Look. Whoa, it's so smooth. Yeah, it has some spikes on it, but the Pachycephalosaurus has this nice, smooth head that's really, really strong. Yeah, it's strong so that they can protect it, but also for fashion. Woohoo! Aw, you are so sweet. Whoa. Oh, excuse me. Looks like this dinosaur has a friend. Aw. Well, I'll see you soon. I think I see another dinosaur. And this next dinosaur, I'm sure you'll know. I'll give you a hint. It has horns. Come on. Whoa, check it out. It's another kind of herbivore. This dinosaur is called a Triceratops. Yeah, and these dinosaurs are super easy to spot because they have 1, 2, 3 horns on their head. You see? Like this. Whoa, yeah, and this is a mommy Triceratops, and it's here with the baby Triceratops. Oh, it's so cute. And look, it even has a beak. Yeah, and the 3 horns of a Triceratops are very important because they use them for protection, but also to get the attention of other Triceratops. You and I, yeah, we might wave like this. Hello, hi there, hello. But a Triceratops would probably use its horns like this. Hello, hello, whoa. Whoa, I'm a little bit dizzy after all that Triceratops waving. Wait a minute, do you hear that? It's another dinosaur, come on! We did it! It's the T-Rex dinosaur! Ooh, I think it's friendly. Let's go say hello. Hello, Mr. T-Rex! Whoa, he is friendly. That's so great. How are you today? Awesome. Hey, did you know that T-Rex dinosaurs are really, really big? Yeah, they can grow over 40 feet long. Whoa, that is really long. And they have giant teeth the size of bananas. You know, that's because a T-Rex is a carnivore, which means instead of being an herbivore, they eat meat. Yeah, well, it was nice to meet you. Whoa, oh, thanks. See you soon, Mr. T-Rex, bye-bye. Whoa, that was awesome. I had so much fun with you today. Yeah, we found the T-Rex and we were really great paleontologists. We learned so many things and saw an awful lot of dinosaurs. Well, that's the end of this video, but if you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my name. Hey, can you spell my name with me? Okay, here we go. Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. Good job. Well, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout. Blippi!